Local nature reserves are important because they provide access to green space for local communities and visitors, and an opportunities for improving the local wildlife biodiversity and conservation. Nature reserves are managed by local authorities in conjunction with Scottish Natural Heritage. Local nature reserves can be different kinds of sites, whether they're woodlands or wetlands, sand dunes or marshes and bogs. And these are all different habitats that can help the connectivity of wildlife across the urban community. They also help local people learn about nature and importance of nature on their doorstep.